Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something serious that's been unfolding. Donald Trump's expected visit to Canada. You might have seen the headlines. You may have watched some clips. Maybe you are like me. If you are like me and you may be thinking about making sense of what this all means beyond nice and politics. So, today I am here not to throw stats or news footage at you, but I just want to sit with you and share my thoughts honestly, clearly, and calmly. This isn't Trump's first visit to Canada, but it feels very different this time because just a few days ago he made some, let's say, questionable comments about Canada's sovereignty. He suggested that Canada could be treated almost like a part of the US. Some even took it as a joke, but it was something very serious about becoming the 51st state of the US as suggested by Donald Trump. This hit a nerve in Canada, and it should. Now let's talk about Canada's new Prime Minister Mark Carney. He didn't overreact. He didn't go on TV shouting or attacking, but he did make it clear that Canada is not up for negotiation. He reminded us that Canada stands independently with its own voice, its own priorities, and honestly, that was reassuring. And if we are being honest, his calm but clear response earned him some respect. Now Trump is planning to visit Canada. What might come from it? In my opinion, three big areas might be on the table. That is trade, diplomacy, and cooperation. There have been long-standing issues like tariffs, imports, and exports. Both countries need each other, but not on unfair terms. Carney will likely want to draw clear boundaries. Yes, we can talk, but no, we are not going to blur the line between neighbors and ownership. Despite the friction, there is always a chance to reset things. Security, climate, global partnership, they still share a lot. Let's be real. This meeting can go either way. If it goes well, maybe we see reduced tension, better trade dialogue, and more mutual respect. Maybe it strengthens Canada's international position. But if it doesn't, it could further widen the gap. If Trump repeats controversial comments, or if his tone becomes disrespectful, it will stir resentment here in Canada. Honestly, I think we are at a delicate point. Canada needs to protect its identity while still maintaining dialogue with the US. And Trump, being who is, he may or may not approach this carefully. But the good thing is, we have a Prime Minister who understands economics, diplomacy, and international policy, and that gives us a bit of confidence. So yeah, I didn't make this video with graphics or dramatic editing because this kind of topic, it needs calm, sincere discussion. Should Canada be worried about this visit? Do you think Carney is handling it well? And what do you expect from this meeting? Thanks so much for watching. If you found this conversation thoughtful or useful, do consider subscribing. See ya in the next one.